Christmas sausages. Talk about a retro recipe. I'll do a little switcheroo of the pans. And the first ingredient of the sauce, appropriately, is cranberry sauce. This is just straight out of a can, my friends, so we are not getting too fancy around here. And then I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce, and then just a few more ingredients to add to the flavor. A couple tablespoons of soy sauce, and same amount of mustard. I'm using Dijon, but you can do a grainy brown mustard. Anything works. A squeeze or two of honey. Now I'm doing a lot of zesting today. I'm gonna zest in an orange. I swear, of all the things I'm making today, this is the one that reminds me most of my grandma. Oh, she used to make things like this all the time. Okay, I'm gonna stir this around. And if you don't have cranberry sauce, you can start with a jar of jam, really just anything that's sticky, a little bit sweet. Now there's a lot of sweetness in here, so I'm gonna balance it out with a little bit of salt. And then I just need to heat this up and let it thicken, and then I'll add the sausages and move things merrily along. I'm gonna finish up the Christmas sausages. The sauce is nice and thick and bubbling away. Now I have 2 pounds of smoked sausage, and I cut them in diagonal slices. And I'll just toss them, and that'll give the sausages a chance to heat up. You can also heat up the sausage in the oven while the sauce is boiling away if you want to save a step, but it won't take too long for these to get nice and hot. Oh gosh, that didn't take long. That sauce was so hot. Now I'm gonna put these into a chafing dish very carefully. It's nice to have a small handful of chafing dishes if you like to have holiday parties. Chafing dishes seem retro to me. My mom and her friends always had a bunch at their parties. They would actually borrow one another's. I kept seeing the same collection of chafing dishes from the various parties in the Bartlesville circuit. So I'm gonna get this one lit. Speaking of lit, this food is lit, as my boys would say. Okay, that's it for the Christmas sausages.